Hi, I'm Rafa, I'm 18 and I'm from Norway. I'm currently studying business and I'm doing a virtual internship with Intern leaders.
I chose this program because I'm interested in setting up my own business in the future, and I wanted to make the most of this free time to develop my personal skills with a focus on leadership. So far, I have really enjoyed the courses, especially learning about the importance of networking to grow a business and practicing ideas to feel more confident in the workplace.
I think the program is really well organised because everything that I learn in the courses, I get to put into practice into internships that intern leaders organise for me. I get to see immediate results, and that has been really positive. At first, I wasn't quite sure which industry to choose from, as I have so many interests. However, after the first few calls with intern leaders, we were able to figure out that entrepreneurship and business would be the perfect industry for me. I'm so happy that I chose this industry, and I am grateful to the team at Intern Leaders. They made sure that my company will be best for my personality and objectives. As it's a startup, I have worked very closely with the CEO, which is an amazing opportunity as I have learned so much from him, even though it's all done remotely. I started learning about the company and then doing outreach, working on business development and outsourcing potential clients, explaining what we do. I was also invited to an online networking event where I watched my boss make new contacts and I learned about the elevator pitch.
At first, I was worried about doing an internship online, as I thought I might get excluded. But everyone at the company that I work for and the intern leaders have been really welcoming. We do weekly calls and do loads of sociable things. I do think the world is changing and working remotely is becoming more and more common, which is why I'm glad that I've had the experience to work remotely and demonstrate projects and tasks that I have completed. Working at home shows that you're strong-minded and motivated. And I mean, who wouldn't like to work at home?
The experience with intern leaders so far has been great. I've gained so much knowledge, stuff that I've never learnt about at school. I am happy that I've made the most of this free time to boost my CV and gain actual work experience.